students, welcome to SS Corner of SSIS. I am Nargis here to explain about the topic asteroids and meteoroids. So as you see in the picture, you can observe that these asteroids and meteoroids are being found in space, that is in our solar system. So next we have the picture of meteor, meteoroids, comet, asteroids, meteorite. So let me explain each and every part in detail. What do you mean by the comet? Comet are icy bodies that releases gases as it orbits the sun. So we all know that all the planets move around the sun in its own axis without changing of its orbits. So as of like planets, these comets also move around the sun on its own orbit. So let me talk about asteroid. So we have observed, like scientists, they have observed many asteroids are being found reaching towards the ground of our Earth. So they are rocky bodies smaller than planets that orbits the sun. So like planets, even asteroids, comets also move around the sun. Next comes meteor. Strike of light seen when a meteorite heats up in the atmosphere. So as we know that asteroid, meteoroids or comets, every celestial bodies which move around the sun, sometimes due to some geographical changes which occurs in the solar system, they happens to enter into the atmosphere of our Earth. So when these meteorites enter into the atmosphere of our Earth, due to the oxygen present in our Earth, it gets heated up and it starts to burn. So the burning stage of the meteorite is known as meteor. Meteoroid, a rocky or metallic fragment as of an asteroid, comet, or planet. So like asteroid, comet, and planet, even meteoroid also a small celestial body which moves around the sun. Meteorite, meteor fragment that reaches the ground. So when the meteorite enters into the atmosphere, it mixes with the oxygen or the other gases present in the atmosphere, it burns. During that period, it has been called as meteor. And when finally, after burning as a rocky material, when it reaches the ground, its name changes into meteorite. So here you can see few pictures of asteroids. So you can observe that asteroids contains of various shapes, various sizes, which reaches to the ground. Here we can see the asteroid belt. As we have orbit for each planet, even asteroids belts are being found between the two orbit circle of planet Mars and Jupiter. This is the picture of the solar system. So here we can observe the asteroid belt. It is in the middle of the Mars and the Jupiter. So let us focus on meteorites. These are few meteorites which has been reached towards the ground of our Earth. And it has various names like Eros, Gaspra, Vesta, Ida, and Lutetia. They changes their shapes and also their texture according to the atmospheric condition that present in our Earth. So I hope so you have learned about the asteroids and meteoroids, which reaches our Earth like our visitors. Thank you. Have a happy day.